Hey, it's Jay, and I'm actually back over at my buddy Steven's house. This is gonna be a really short video, but just wanted to take a moment to introduce a product that was sent to me after we made our last video together.
Yeah.
And do you remember the scene like when we were trying to solder?
I do.
I'm gonna roll it back actually. Okay, we're just about ready to solder, and it's actually good to have a buddy when you do this because you need extra hands. So Steven's holding the solder there. We've set it up so that white is going to be with positive and red is going to be with negative on the terminal here. You want to make sure you're consistent throughout your whole set, and then when you hook it up in your transformer, you're consistent as well. So Steven is doing a good job of just getting a little bit of solder in there, just let it cool. And when you're soldering, you want to make sure that your two terminals aren't touching in any way. Yep. So we're soldered here. All right, let's do the next one.
Oh, there we go. I mean, we use these lights every single night, but I do remember, it was crazy as we were putting these up, like all the hands that are required to actually do this, let alone like the probability of burning yourself just because you have this hot soldering iron and you don't want to hit your hand or your fingers wrong.
I just want to give a major shout out to SolderM8, which is a company based out in California, and they created this. This is a patent pending product, and it's really a simple design, but really brilliant. So we're gonna just try it out. I'm actually gonna have Steven try it out. I'm gonna be hands-free. I'll be working on the camera only.
The student is gonna do it.
The student is gonna do it using this product. So there's some cool things that are well thought out on this product. It's not too heavy, but you can tell it's well made. If you put it down on the counter, bumping it, this thing does not move. It has these nano suction cups on the bottom, and they feel flat and like maybe just a little bit sticky. This thing has a little bit of a suction on the countertop when you put it down on the surface. And it's also magnetic. If you have a surface you just need to put it on, it's just easy access.
All right, I got my soldering clip, and so I'm gonna put my lights in here, and then I'm gonna get my black wire on the outside first. Just line that up. Man, this really makes it easy. Got my hot soldering iron. And even a rookie noob like myself is doing it. Wow, look at that. That's
pretty good. Not bad.
All right, I'm just gonna slide this next one in right behind. Set it right on top. Hopefully I can get that to sit down on there.
You didn't even have to use your hands really, other than just for the soldering process itself. You didn't have to hold anything. It was such a challenge a couple months ago when we did it.
Ah, pretty easy.
There you go.
Not perfect, but definitely gets the job done.
I'm gonna put the link in the description, so if you want to get one of these, you'll know where to get it.